How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the final part of the Traxxas TRX-4 chassis kit build series. This is going to be the last part of actually building this truck, and everything after this video is going to be the body and accessory part of the truck. Now, if you don't remember and if you haven't seen the other videos, you can go and check them out, but in part 1 we built the transmission. In part 2 we did the differentials in the rear axle. In part 3 we did the front axle. In part 4 we did the chassis frame. In part 5 we installed the electronics. In part 6 we did the axles, the drive shafts, and the suspension links. And in part 7, which this is part 7, we're going to be doing the final touches, which are the tires and wheels. I am going to be doing beadlock wheels. I'll also have a whole separate video on how to install beadlock wheels. And also we're going to do the bumpers, rock sliders, and the body mounts. Let's get started in finishing up this truck. Alright, so the Traxxas TRX-4 chassis kit is now complete. We got all 4 tires on, our body posts are up, the rock sliders are in, and the bumpers are in. So that is it for the Traxxas TRX-4 chassis kit. You may have noticed in the video I put 12 by 12 millimeter wheel hexes. The reason for that is because the beadlock wheels are slightly narrower than the other ones, the glued ones, which are right here. The beadlock wheels are thinner, so that means that the entire tire hugs a little bit closer to the portal axle and doesn't clear it all the way. So I just was prepared and had 12 by 12 millimeter wheel hexes that could fix that problem. So it's not that much of a difference, but it looks great overall. The suspension is nice and soft. So the next part of this is going to be fitting the body and then putting on the accessories like the roof rack and the light bars, which is really going to make the truck look great, and then we'll be able to go out and drive it. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the building of the TRX-4 chassis kit, but the project isn't over yet. We still got a little bit more to go. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time on the RC Genius.